How to make date syrup at home and the health benefits. Date syrup is a natural, healthful, and delicious sweetener prepared from dates. It's great on toast, pancakes, pastries, ice cream, and more. In this video, we will learn how to make date syrup at home. This recipe will show you how easy it is to make it at home with just a few ingredients and a very simple technique. Whether you are familiar with it and want to make it at home or have never tried it before. Ingredients: 1 pound dates, 250 grams. 1 cup of liquid. Materials required: a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, a medium-sized saucepan, a big basin that the strainer can fit over, a knife, a jar with a lid for storing. How to prepare date syrup. Step 1. Chop the dates and remove the pits. If the dates haven't previously been pitted, pit them first and then chop them into numerous pieces. It's simplest to do this using a knife that's been gently lubricated. Step 2. Let the dates soak. Allow the dates to soften by soaking them. If you're using dried dates, this is very critical. Place all of the dates in a large mixing bowl, cover with boiling water, and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. The dates should then be rinsed and drained. Note, if the dates are mild enough, you may not need to do this. Step 3. Let the dates simmer. In a large saucepan, place the dates in enough water to completely cover them. Bring to a gentle boil after that. Reduce the heat to a low simmer once the water has boiled. Allow for an hour of simmering time, stirring occasionally. The water will turn a darker brown tint throughout this period. Allow another 20 to 30 minutes for the mixture to cool before continuing with the next step. Step 4. Strain the date mixture. Place a fine mesh strainer on top of a bowl with 2 layers of cheesecloth. Pour the date puree in the middle. Pull the sides of the cheesecloth together and twist to push out as much syrup as possible once all of the pulp is in the strainer. Alternatively, you might pure the entire mixture first and then sieve it. Step 5. Diminish the syrup. Pour the liquid back into the saucepan and reduce it over medium-low heat until it reaches the desired consistency and flavor. Be careful not to burn it. Allow the syrup to cool completely before transferring it to a sterilized airtight jar or bottle. Keep it in the fridge. It should be used within 3 weeks of production. The benefits of date syrup. Date syrup has a variety of health benefits, according to Healthline. It is helpful in the treatment of blood sugar issues. Date syrup has been reported to be effective in the treatment of blood sugar issues, diabetes, and its consequences. The date has been demonstrated to offer possible preventive effects against early diabetes problems of the liver and kidney in a recent study. It helps in the treatment of diarrhea. Date syrup can help with digestive issues, especially chronic diarrhea. Date syrup is also a potent disinfectant, killing bacteria that reach the gastrointestinal tract. It enhances bone health. Date syrup may also benefit your bone health. Dates are high in selenium, manganese, copper, and magnesium, all of which are essential for bone health and the prevention of diseases like osteoporosis. Fiber can help your digestive system by preventing constipation. It aids in the production of stool, promoting regular bowel motions. It's high in antioxidants. Date syrup can help protect our cells from free radicals, which have been linked to a variety of chronic inflammation-related disorders, like heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and cancer. May boost natural labor. The ability of dates to promote and ease late-term labor in pregnant women has been researched. Taking date syrup in the latter weeks of pregnancy can help to stimulate cervical dilatation and reduce the need for induced labor. They may also aid in the reduction of labor time. Health is wealth. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.